Welcome to Royal Rides. Flying cars have long been a staple of science fiction, but with technological advancements over the past few years, they're slowly becoming a reality. One of the most exciting innovations in this field is the AeroMobil 4.0, a vehicle that combines the best of both the automotive and aviation worlds. As we approach 2026, AeroMobil is looking to revolutionize personal transportation, providing an unprecedented level of mobility. Today, we'll explore the AeroMobil 4.0, its features, and how it might change the way we travel. AeroMobil 4.0 is not just another car, it's a hybrid vehicle that can transform from a road car into an aircraft in minutes. Developed by AeroMobil, a Slovakia-based company, this cutting-edge vehicle represents a significant leap towards practical flying cars. With its sleek design and futuristic features, the AeroMobil 4.0 can travel on the road like a conventional car, but when you're ready to take to the skies, it effortlessly converts into a plane, allowing you to bypass traffic and travel long distances in the air. The AeroMobil 4.0 boasts impressive features that make it a true game changer in the world of transportation. Once it transforms into its flight mode, the vehicle's wings extend, allowing it to achieve speeds of up to 223 miles per hour, 360 km/h in the air. On the ground, it can reach speeds of 124 miles per hour, 200 km/h. Its range in the air is 500 miles, and it can fly at altitudes of up to 10,000 feet. This flying car also offers comfortable seating for 2 passengers, a spacious cockpit, and state-of-the-art avionics, ensuring a smooth and safe journey both on the road and in the air. One of the standout features of the AeroMobil 4.0 is its ability to seamlessly transition between a car and an aircraft. To switch from road mode to flight mode, the vehicle's wings unfold and the tail stabilizer extends within a matter of minutes. Once in the air, the AeroMobil 4.0 behaves like a small plane, requiring a pilot's license to operate. The car's hybrid propulsion system, which combines a traditional combustion engine with an electric motor, ensures that it remains efficient whether you're driving on the ground or flying through the air. The introduction of the AeroMobil 4.0 could mark the beginning of a new era in transportation. With cities becoming more congested, the ability to take off and fly over traffic could be a major game changer for urban mobility. As we move into 2026, the development of flying cars like the AeroMobil 4.0 is not just a pipe dream, it's becoming a viable solution to reducing congestion and transforming how we think about travel. By utilizing existing aviation infrastructure, AeroMobil could offer a seamless, practical, and affordable solution for short to medium distance travel. Despite its exciting potential, the path to widespread adoption of flying cars like the AeroMobil 4.0 is filled with challenges. Regulatory approval, air traffic management, and public acceptance are just a few of the hurdles that need to be addressed. While AeroMobil has already received substantial interest from investors, it will still take time before these vehicles are available to the general public. Additionally, advancements in airspace management, safety protocols, and infrastructure for flying cars will play a crucial role in determining how quickly these vehicles can be integrated into our daily lives. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest in luxury and performance cars. Stay tuned for more exclusive content only here at Royal Rides.